Ah, having fun here. Welcome back to the afternoon session here. We got an hour to go, and there we go. We got an hour to go, and watching this market, doing the best we can with what little we have. We're noticing. First thing I noticed, the Dow is down 21 points instead of down 200. So there's a recovery there. We're down. We're up 17 on S&P, and we're up 136 on Nasdaq. So the market has definitely turned positive. Oil is still down $7.86 a barrel to 106, so that's still under pressure. Rocket Lab's down 28, SoFi is up 10, but GameStop up 23.39 to 175.34 now. We've hit a high of 176.57 today, and it it seems to want to just keep on going. It seems that way. I am waiting for the break. I'm waiting for a break. The break lower, I don't know when, and I don't know how far. I don't know how fast, and how long the break will go. But this is day 11 of a winning streak right now. It's 11 straight up days in a row. So, each dollar, as I've said before, and I'll say it again, every time it goes up another dollar, more people are either richer because it's getting higher above their average, or more people are finding that they're getting within their cost base. They're coming back. So it just is. It's a shift that's going on of epic proportions, because from $78 a week and a bit ago to here, you got to figure there's a whole lot more investors ahead of the curve than behind the curve. I keep repeating it. I will not stop. If you are in a position to do rollovers, today is the day to be rolling over and moving up the strike price chain price, the price. You've got to get out of 90s, 95s, 100s, whatever you're into, 110s, 115s, 120s. If you can bump them up, if you can go from 90 to 110, or you can go from 100 to 120, or you can go from 120 to 130 to 140, any $20 move or more that you can muster up today, you do it today. This is what you need to do. You need to buy back calls that you've written for book value, if at all possible. Some of you have been very lucky, and you've actually been able to buy back calls for less than book value or right at book value. And you've been able to write new calls into May or June or July of this year at higher strikes for as much money as it cost you to buy the call, or even more than what you paid for the call, which is a win-win. You're building a credit reserve in your account, and you've moved up $10, $20, or $30 on your strike. If you can afford to buy back a call, write a new call, even though it costs you, say, $500 in cash, costs you $500 more to buy a call than what you can sell one for. But the one you sold is $10 higher in strike price than you were planning to. You've just paid $500 to make $1,000. That's a smart move. If you can move up $20 for $500, even better. The higher the strike price that you write your new call for on the rollover, the closer to the market you are. And with any kind of a pullback on this stock, you've got a double win, because if you had a call written here at 90, now you have a call written at 110 or 120, and the stock goes from 170 to 140. All of a sudden, instead of being from 90 to 40 away, you're at 120 to 40 away. You are a lot closer on your strike price. And of course, the clock is working in your favor. Even though you've rolled further ahead in time, it's all right. The clock is working in your favor. Now, how far will the stock correct? When? Whatever? I have no ideas. I have no way to tell you. I can only observe what we're observing, and in plain English, try to explain it to you. But you know, and I know, those of you who've been with me since last year, you are very keenly aware of what this stock is capable of doing in 5 minutes at any time. And that is, it can drop $50 in 5 minutes without a single peep from the New York Stock Exchange or any regulator whatsoever. You have seen it happen. You've witnessed it happen. You cannot trust the GameStop share to just stay here and just stay here. You can't trust it, because too many times we have seen attacks by short sellers, gangs of hedge funds, you name it, generally from offshore outside of the United States, coming in with sell orders at market that just wreak havoc on this stock. You know it's true. You've seen it yourself. We've lived through it time and time and time again. We've seen $150 drops in 15 minutes on this stock. When it used to be in the 300s down to the 150s, back to the 200s, we've seen it all. I used to have a full head of hair when I started this channel a year ago. If you go back to the old channel, the old days when I first started this channel, you'll see all the hair I used to have. If you can't find those videos, it's because trolls have probably, made them go away, and they've left me with just this look. And so, sorry, it's the way it is. But in any event, when the pullback comes, it will be spectacular. Now, I'm not guaranteeing it. It's no guarantee that the stock will do a major, massive, at any time pullback. It's possible. That's all I can tell you. It's possible. Now, what I would prefer is a very orderly trading pattern on the stock. That's what I prefer. Like to have the stock behave like most other stocks behave. But I don't mind that it's gone up as much as it's gone up, because it's made a lot of your accounts look a whole lot better than they were a week, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. But I am a bit disappointed in a way that the stock isn't up on fundamentals. We don't have a corporate press release that we can go, that right there is the reason why this stock is doing what it's doing. Right there. End of discussion. Every analyst now can't argue it. CNBC can't poo-poo the stock. Comments from the peanut gallery can't affect it. Well, I don't have a single corporate announcement that I can direct you to that'll show you why this stock should have gone from $78 when it bottomed out to where it is now. There isn't one. And so we have to endure the attacks and the cheap comments and whatever from others just about why the stock is doing what it's doing. There's no way around it. But the good news, if you're a shareholder, you're up on this stock substantially from last week to this week. What do you do now is the question. If you have not written a call on this stock, you have the opportunity to do so anytime you like. But I don't know how long the opportunity is good for you to be able to write a call on this stock if you haven't written one at this point in time. If you're flat, you can write a call. You get to pick how long the call is good for, what exercise price to set on it, and what kind of dollar you want to offer it for. And I would be scouring the option chains right now, and I would be looking for ways to try to bring in from a contract as much cash as humanly possible in time premium. In other words, out of the money premium money is what you want, as much as humanly possible. Something that will shrink as time goes by without going out too far in time, perhaps. That's possible. Maybe you want to go out 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. You may want to write a 175, which is right at this money, 180. So maybe you want to write a 190, good for 2 months. Maybe you want to write a $200 contract, good for 2 or 3 months from now. Maybe you're writing a 225 for 6 months. Maybe you're going to write a $250 call for next year, January. Maybe not. Maybe you'll write a contract for next January, but you'll write a 175 right at the money, right here, and you'll take a whack of premium. It's up to you to decide which contract you want to write and which one you want to sit on. Do you want to be out of the money a long ways plus have a premium? Well, then write a 225 or a 250 and take a premium and sit back and do that. Now, I have a poll question going on right now on this channel. I have asked the folks here, GameStop will be GameStop will be $200 a share by tomorrow. That's the statement. GameStop will be at $200 a share by tomorrow. 55% say yes, it'll be $200 a share by tomorrow. 45% are saying, nah, it's not going to happen. 156 voters have participated in this poll question. I'd love to have your thoughts on that. It's a fairly innocent question. Nothing sinister about it. Let me know what your thoughts are about whether the stock will be over 200 tomorrow or not, and see what you do. And thank you for your response. 159 now, 164 responses, 64 to 46% saying, yep, it'll be over 200 tomorrow, without a doubt. Well, if that's what most of you think, then option writers should be writing 200 or 225 contracts, maybe even 250 contracts. Of course, you can write a 300, you can write a 350, you can write a 400 if you want. You might not get as much premium as you'd like, but you can do that. So, whatever turns you on, take a look at it and see what you get. Anyway, there's the story. It is what it is. Look at this AMC today, up 659 a share to 26.83. You want to talk about psycho crazy right there, in my opinion. What? The stock was $17 a couple weeks ago. I don't know. I don't think there's any news on AMC either. I don't actually think. No, I don't think so. I think that there's talk of more deals being discussed about the company maybe getting into other ventures. I guess it is a wacky time. I can't. I don't know what to make of it. The silver stock that they got in, that Haycroft mining deal that the AMC got involved in. Excuse me, it's up $1.03 today, $1.03 today. It was $158 for the low today. It's now trading at $232 on $322 million. There's only $60 million out. It's wild. It's wacky. I have nothing to do with it. I just cannot. I don't know. It's the silly season. It's just wild. It's wacky, and I put my hands up and go, folks, you're on your own. If you're gambling on these, it's your call how you want to play it. I just look at the historical moves of GameStop, and I look at the historical trading patterns, and I also look at 40 years of history of the markets that I've had. Yeah, over 40 years of history in the markets. And my little pea brain up here, which is highly protected by a thick skin layer here, just says to me, man, oh man, I would not be caught without having calls written against this stuff, especially up here. But hey, it's up to you folks. If you're afraid of the stock going higher, which is silly, but it's okay, then don't write a call. But boy, I would be daring this market to take me out at higher prices. Writing 200s for a month from now, 2 months from now, willing to do rollovers if you want to keep going. I have no problem with that. I can roll out to 2024, baby, and I'm happy to recommend my viewers do it if necessary at 500 a share. No problem. But right now, it's 175.60, and the high today is 176.50. It might want to go to 180 today. It might. Of course, the higher it goes, the further it can fall, and the faster it goes up, the faster it can fall, and stocks go down faster than they go up. We've had a 7-hour move all day to here. I tell you, sooner or later, we're going to wake up one morning and it's going to be lower. But hey, if you're richer, I'm happy. I am happy if you're richer, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, there's my little, cautionary tale. What can I say? Thank you all for joining me here today. Glad to have you join us. Appreciate those of you who've subscribed to this channel, all of you who've become members of this channel. I do appreciate that very much. And hopefully a number of you will begin to consider becoming members of the channel. It would be nice if you did, and you're more than welcome to join us here, Stock Markets with Bruce, here on YouTube, as we are staying on top of this market. It is wild, and it is wacky, and it is really something out there, I tell you. Let me just double check something over here. Yeah, we got lots going on here, I'll tell you. Thank you one and all for being part of this channel. I love it. There we go. I'm going to just go to members only at the moment for the channel. Those of you who are members, you're able to comment, drop live comments, a question if you like. Appreciate that. Thank you, all of you, for being here and hanging out. 177 right now on the GameStop. We're at new highs right now, and hopefully a bunch of you are getting richer and richer and richer. I love it. Would I love to have some news from GameStop? Oh, would I really love to have some news from GameStop? I would love to pass it on to you if I could. If I find anything, I'll let you in on it. As soon as I know, you'll know. But at the moment, that's what we've got. We have 82 thumbs ups. Thank you for those. All of you have thrown thumbs ups our way already. Appreciate it. We now have 215 people responding to this question. GameStop will be 200 a share by tomorrow. Yes, 54%. No, 46%. 217 people have responded to that poll question. We have 83 thumbs ups. If you're able to find a thumbs ups for us, hit that button and give us momentum there. That would be terrific. Thank you all very, very much. Okay, there you go. What else is going on? 177, I think we topped out at here. 177.60, rock and roll. No kidding. No kidding. I know a number of you have sent me messages that you've been able to and have been successful in doing rollovers today. And I commend you for that. Keep it going. Keep on doing your rollovers. It doesn't matter if you're only going from 90 to 110 or 120 to 130 or 140. It's okay. It's a first step. There will be other rollovers. You might be doing a rollover in 3 days from now. Yet again, we'll just be on it. We'll be on it. We're going to be aggressive. We're going to get closer to the market. Sooner or later, the market will come back to us. It all depends on where and when. You might be rolling into 140s, 50s when it comes back from 200 to 150, or we're rolling up to 130s, 40s when it goes to 180 and comes back to 110. I don't know. Somewhere, sooner or later, there will be a reaction. We'll figure it out. We'll be around for it, and we'll get through it. Welcome to Chillin' with Uncle Bruce. Michael, nice to have you here, buddy. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're brand new, thank you for popping in. Love having you, and it's great that you're part of the family here. Fantastic stuff. What we need now is everything else to go up, like SoFi and Rocket Lab and everybody else. The Dow right now down 32.9, 38.5. Rocket Lab down 32 cents to 764. The low today was 751. SoFi got as low as 884 around noon hour Eastern time. It is now 918. It's turned completely around. It's now up 16 some odd cents on the day, 27 plus million. The high today was 928. So we're only 10, 11 cents away from a high today on SoFi with this turnaround. So bring it, baby. Come on back. GameStop, 176.60. AMC, 27.61. Matterport, 784, up 18 cents after dropping as low as 754. That's a 30-cent comeback. We were down 12. Now we're up 18 on Matterport. ME got down at 259 around noon hour. Now 274. That is a 15-cent turnaround on a volume of 1.2 million. We're up a nickel on the day on ME. Spire at 1 o'clock today touched 197. It's now 199, down 3 cents. We've only traded in a 7 odd cent range today on Spire. ATIP has been 173 to 180. It's now 177 on 433,000. Smart Rent got down to 551. That was on the opening today, 551. It's now 566. The high so far, 571 a few minutes ago on 965,000, up 14 on Smart Rent. We've been up pretty well all day on the stock. Cyxtera, first thing in the morning, went right down to 1156. We're at 1187 now. We've been kind of holding around this level for a lot of the day. 274,000. We're down 37 cents at 1187 on Cyxtera. On Pfizer, 53.18 a share. The high was 53.56, and it's given back, what is that, 28, 38, 48, 30, 38 cents. It's given back so far, still up 40 on the day. Robinhood up 24 cents. Vanik is up 53 cents after having been down to 270 a unit. It's now 275. Home Depot has recovered and is up $2. IBM is down still a quarter. Microsoft had been up $6. It was down a bit, down to 304. Now it's back to 309. So it's been gyrating today. We're now sitting at 309.18, up 5.50 a share. Apple is up 25 cents, just holding onto a gain. But there is negative news out there that the market is not yet seem to not yet be worried about. I guess that's the best way to say it. The market just does not seem to be that worried about it at this point. Goldman down 363, can't seem to catch a break higher. Cisco 3 cents on the downside, doesn't want to go anywhere. Facebook 91-cent gain, but it's at 222. It's come back from 181. It's leveling off here. Amazon up $75. Tesla is up 80 to 1,090. Google up $2.83, just barely over the break-even line. Bed Bath Beyond up $2.62. A breakout today, a 10% gain. Finally happened in the last hour or so. 7.9 million traded at this point in time. Some positive news must be coming out of Bed Bath & Beyond. That Hycroft Mining, 225, up 97 cents. It's wild, it's wacky, it's insanity, and it's affecting AMC, which means it's affecting GameStop, which means it's all you're on your own if you are not writing a call against your stock. If you're not writing calls against GameStop, I can't help you. It's time now to write 180s, 185s, 190s now on GameStop for Friday, next Friday, the Friday after that. Now. I don't know if I can make it any clearer than that. I'm not sure if maybe I need to make it clearer than that. I don't know. 243 votes are in on this. GameStop will be 200 a share tomorrow. 56% of you say yes, 44% say no. When a majority of the people in this channel think it's going to reach 200 by tomorrow, time to write call options. That's what I'm saying. Up to you guys. You got to decide what to do. Those of you who are doing rollovers, the sooner you get them done, the better, because if there's a $40 pullback on the stock, you want the stock to be careening down to your strike price ASAP. BlackBerry is up 22 cents. Royal Caribbean is up $1.36 to 78.30. Norwegian is up. Carnival's up, but just slightly. Target down 4 cents. JP Morgan down 178. Costco's up 685. Walmart up 237. Nvidia up 375. American Airlines up a quarter to 17.24. Oil right now 104.93 down 8.97. Netflix up $4. Snowflake up 17. Moderna up $6.73. All right, we're down 35 on the Dow, just below the break-even mark. Can the Dow get there, break it, get over? We'll see. S&P is up 16. Nasdaq's up 139. Even though Nasdaq is up 139, that is only 1% on the day. We're up 0.38 on S&P. We're down just slightly on the Dow, percentage-wise. All right, SoFi 920. That's where we were this morning. First thing. That's where we opened at. By the way, thank you for the 106 thumbs ups, guys. Thank you. We're over 100 now. 256 votes on GameStop going over 200 by tomorrow. 56% say yes. 44% say no. All right. We got SoFi, like I said, 920. GameStop 179.31. That's a new high right here. Time to write 180s, 190s, 200s. Time to write the contracts. That's what I'm saying. It's time. It's time. Oh, is it time? We're up on 12,800,000. That's disappointing. 12,800,000 shares on GameStop. On one hand, you could say, Bruce, the stock's up $27 a share on less than 13 million shares, man. This is great. Yeah, I guess it is. The stock is running up so quickly that sellers can't gather themselves and go, we should start selling this stuff. So, okay, that's one way to look at it. The other way to look at it is 12.8 million volume, man. Overnight, I don't know how many millions of shares might be coming in for sale tomorrow morning at these lofty prices, considering they've gone up $100 a share in a week and a half. Maybe a few million will come in and we'll see a $30-40 drop per share. Maybe that. So I'm just saying, you gotta take premiums. Those of you who are aggressive, I mean, you really are gamblers out there. You've got some shares at GameStop and you want to challenge this stock. I would say write 160 calls for next week, 160s, week after. Write in the money calls and take a fat, gigantic premium in your hands. Put that cash in your account and just sit there and now go, okay, go ahead. Take me out. Take me out. I got the premium on top of the price of this thing. But if this thing backs off to 150, those contracts are out of the money. And next Friday, they're worthless. Boy, oh boy, is it wild? Is it wacky? Yes, it is. It is wild. It is wacky. What a fun time we're having right here. I was looking at some calls now, just for fun. For this Friday, 175s a few minutes ago were showing $15 on the offer for this Friday at the money call. We're now at 180, obviously. So I suspect that the 180s are probably $15 right now. Unbelievable. Next week, the 8th of April, you want to write 160s. You're probably going to get $30 a contract, giving you 190. There's that $15 premium, but also that book value that will evaporate if I'm right, if it backs up. 179.34 on the stock right now. The 180s were $19. They're probably now 20, 21. Amazing run we got going here. April 14th calls. If you want to write 175s, you'll get probably 25 right now. 180s, you're probably getting about 23 to write 180s for 2 weeks out. That's nice premiums. $2,300 a contract. That is really nice money. Got 10 of them. Bring in 23 G's. Grab that money. Anyway, lots to watch. Okay, let me move on. 178.39 is the last trade on the stock. The high of the day, 179.50 is the high of the day. The Dow's down 17, and AMC's at 27.92, which is unsustainable. That's wild and wacky, man. 187 million traded on AMC. Okay, I will say this. Look, way to go on AMC doing that Haycroft deal, that mining deal. Yeah, way to go. Because that Haycroft mining at 216 is, it's up there. But keep in mind that the total number of shares that AMC could possibly have out of this entire deal, is it 50 million shares? I think it is. They're up $1. So they're ahead 50 million in book value, right? The problem with this situation is that AMC has now 516 million shares outstanding. So if they're $50 million richer on paper, at best, it's 10 cents a share in value growth. If they make 100 million on this Haycroft mining deal, they make 100 million on it, that's 20 cents a share value growth to the company. All right. If they make $500 million profit on the Haycroft deal, $500 million profit. If they make that, that's $1 a share to AMC. Okay, the stock is up $7.99 right now. All right, so we're not talking $35 billion gain on Haycroft coming up here. Okay, that's what that means. So just keeping things in perspective. In any event, hey, a gain is a gain is a gain, and you only make money when you sell at a gain. All right. Hence why I'm saying to my Gamestop followers, write call options immediately on your Gamestop now. Lock in a really nice strike price and a fat premium for the next 2 or 3 weeks. Grab this money. It is a free gift from the gods. Take this deal. You can always roll them over if you have to, but I think the odds are getting lower now. I'm just saying. All right, there it is. Wow, what a day. The GameStop right now, 179.02 at the moment. Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Let's go. Yeah, Nicholas is saying, hey, Bruce, listen, I'm a bit unsure. What does now mean? Like, if I'm going to write a call and you say now, what does that mean really? Is that like now in 10 minutes? Now next week sometime? Now like right away? And is that right away like right away now? Could you help clarify that? I'm not exactly sure what you're getting at. I need to know. Stink bid on GameStop puts. Andrew, wish me luck. Those of you who wrote put contracts on GameStop, cash secured puts, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Hello, it's payday. Time to buy those up. Oh my gosh. What can I say? Let's go. Let's go. Uncle Bruce, we just boarded our Royal Caribbean cruise. That's why the stock's up a little bit. All shareholders, you're welcome. Thank you. And way to go, Charlie. I still feel like Will Smith is going to show up anytime. He's just going to show up and give us a dope slap. He's just going to wake us out of reality. We're going to wake up and we're at $80 a share. I mean, Will is just around the corner here. I don't watch the dip, says Duncan. Wing Commander, if that cash covered put on GameStop strike 95 January is printing, would prefer to just have the stock though. Yep. Take your cake. There you go. Well, kids, like I say, if any of you are writing, I sure hope you're doing all right. Here we go. Frumbler. I rolled April 1, 100 into July 15, 145 strike. Took a $20 loss, but I made much higher strike. You just added $2,500 to your bank account per contract for $2,000. You just added $4,500. Nice going. Let's go. Excuse me. Matterport is up 20 cents. Yo. Should I roll my 120s now? Yes. Roll your 120s immediately. Roll. Look into July. Look going into July. So see if you can get up to 140s for the same amount of money. Even higher if you can. 179.34. Last trade. High of the day is right in this neighborhood. 180 on the nose. 180 on the nose is the high trade so far on GameStop. Okay, there you go, kids. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, never a dull moment. Let's see. Maldo, what happens to my stock what happens to GameStop if they get delisted? I was just curious about that. 179.97 going for 180. Sure, we'll try to break it. Put in some stink offers on your stock, kids, on your options. Take money off the table. It's being handed to you. We're up $8 on GameStop. Right 28s, right 29s, right 30s. All you want. Take premium off the table and say, thank you, sir. May I have another? What can I say? It is an interesting time, but boy, oh boy. Look at Matterport. It's only up 26 cents. SoFi's up 19 cents. Rocket Lab down 32. The Dow down 3 points. Spire down a penny and a half. HIP up a half a penny. Smart Rent up 19. Cyxtera down 32. The rest of the market is normal. These two stocks are not normal. They're not normal today. Pfizer up 44 to 53.22. Unreal. This is not normal, folks. What's happening here is not normal. You have to take advantage of not normal. Money in your account is a smart move to make. Uncle Bruce, does the supply and demand for options work the same for stock? A bunch of people drawn certain strike and price will be generally drawn. Yes, that's true. People will be desperate to try to buy calls. They'll bid them up. They want to drop calls or puts. They'll bid them up or down. Absolutely. That's right. Does anyone remember this morning? Anyway, 179 last trade on GameStop, up $27 a share. Could be on a wee bit overpriced in the last 11 consecutive days, but that might be just me. It could be just me. We've traded, and we've had now 309 people answer my poll question that GameStop will hit 200 a share by tomorrow. 57% are saying yes, 43% saying no. We got 135 people who've come in and said, Bruce, I'm giving you thumbs ups, even though I don't know what now means. I'm going to give you thumbs ups and the benefit of the doubt. Even though there could be delistings, I'm still going to give you thumbs ups because I just like you. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Every little bit helps. What can I say? My. What can I tell you? We're having fun. What's going on? Spire is where is Spire right now? 201 down a penny today. Very quiet day here on the movement of the stock. It looks like there's a wall of 202. Looks like there's a wall selling at 202. Can't get over it. 600,000 shares traded. Last to 201. Can't get over 202. It would appear to me. I hope I'm wrong. We're up 6 points on the Dow. I think that's finally a gain on the Dow. Finally. We're down 32 cents on Rocket Lab, which just defies logic. So SoFi up 18. GameStop 179.13. AMC 28.13 now, up 7.89. Matterport up 26 cents. ME up 5.5. Spire down a penny. ATIP down a penny. SmartRent up 23. Good to see SmartRent popping up like that. Cyxtera down 36. Let's go SmartRent. Give us a shot. Come on, baby. Come on. It's taking a shot for sure. We've got 25 minutes to go in the day. And, well, I see $1 million traded on that SmartRent. Let's go here. We're down 3 on the Dow. 179.39 on GameStop at the moment, okay? I'm a member of that 43% club. GameStop won't make it to 200 by tomorrow. GameStop, new high, 181.42. Don't be greedy. Bingo, Duncan, you got it. Pigs get slaughtered. Kids, write options. Write GameStop options immediately. You can write 200s for 2 weeks out. Do it. Do it. Take the money. They're handing it to you. Incredibly, they're handing you unbelievable gobs of money to write contracts. Let's take a look at these 14 Aprils. I'm kind of curious about these April 14 contracts. There we go. April 14s. If you wrote 200s, they are showing, I'm showing $16.50 to $17. Man, taking $17 cash for a $200 GameStop contract, I like that deal. If you can afford, if you can write one of those, you haven't written any now, write those. Yeah, I like it. I like that. You want to go further out to like April 29, the end of this month. April 29, 200s will bring you $21.95. You're better off writing these 14s. They're way up there. Wow. 180s for the end of this month. 28.55 is what you can get for them pretty well. Unbelievable. July contracts. Here we go. July's. Look at that. The 120s are 71.65. 130s are $65. 140, 62, 150s, they're 56. 175 is $47. 200s for July, 38.60. Wow, that is good money. 38.60 on a stock that was $78 last week. That's just a premium. Holy moly, macaroni. Yo, what can I say? SoFi volume is twice GameStop. It's up pennies. Yeah, that's right. There's way more shares in existence. Yeah, SoFi, 916 up 15 cents. GameStop, 178.87. Wow, unbelievable. GameStop halted? I don't know. Don't know if GameStop's halted or not. I'm showing 179.79 last trade at the moment, up 27.84. Nope, my computer froze. All is well. Yeah, it looks like Cody said, I guess GameStop wants to triple its price. It's 180.45 right there. That's where it is right now, 180.45 on the stock. 180.68, new high of the day. And that's great. It makes premiums even fatter and richer. You can grab some serious money here, folks. I'm hoping to get messages from people who are saying to me, I listened to you. I wrote 180s. I wrote 190s. I wrote 200s. I sure hope I hear this. I hope some of you are doing this. And I took it. I can't believe how much money they're handing me for 3 weeks. I can't believe it. This is great. There you go. What else have we got? Let's see. I guess that 77.81 GameStop used up my luck for the month. I bought that stuff, and that's the luck I got. 180, 184 right now on GameStop, and we got 28.34 on AMC. There you go. The Dow is down 5.89 points. And Rocket Lab still down 35 cents. SoFi up 14. 181.78 on GameStop, new high right now. And we've got Matterport up 27 to 793. Nice to see that. ME still holding just a 3.5 cent gain. And SmartRent 572 up 21. A little pop there. Oh, go higher, you guys. Let's go. I'd like to see all those former SPACs go higher and higher and higher. Uncle Bruce, couldn't it be that since Ryan's statement for Boston Consulting, all the other big investors are buying as well? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't. Yeah. That's hard to connect. That would be hard to connect. Why others will want to buy on a statement from him about this? It's a dispute. I don't know. There can be 100 people in a room and 99 won't slap you. That's just it. But one will. One will. Did you get that play on words? Did you get it? Did you get it? That was Michael doing that. 180.03 on GameStop. Topped at 181.90 for a moment ago. That's where we're at here. Dow's down 10. S&P up 18. Nasdaq up 143. We have 20 minutes to go in the day. And that is what it is. Suge Knight wrote a 180 cover call for the end of the week. I'm crossing my arms. Yep, crossing your arms. Real estate will be crashing by October, says Drops Trades. Michael, ATIP down a little again, buying again. I think that leaves about 16 shares left to trade because I have all the rest of them right here. Austin, Michael Will's form is pretty bad. It was an all arm. He needs to rotate his hips more. Duncan, a lovely day. Bill Weathers, we'll see you tonight. Beach Boy. Uncle Bruce, I got a limit to buy back the calls 10 April 1st, 90s at 86.05. There's a chance it won't fill. Do I up the bid or leave for tomorrow? I did manage to roll 22. I'd wait till tomorrow. Just sit tight now. And, you're not looking to chase anymore. So, yeah. That's the way I would go about it. Because whatever you get back, you want to be writing those others immediately to make that move, my friend. Let's see. Spirit was my thought today after I've seen the tweets from him and the memes of his followers on the weekend. Michael agreed. If that's how he punches, he's not going to do any damage. Twist those hips. Right. Drive the power punch from your core. There you go. 180.73, 180.58 on GameStop. 916 on SoFi up 15, 3-point drop on the Dow. Matterport up a quarter. ME up 3.5. See what's going on here. What a crazy time. What a crazy time. Turn that heel, make that feel. Dropped. Michael, got the feeling that wasn't the first time Chris got clobbered for a bad joke. He took it like a champ. Nicholas, we can't judge theater kids on how they punch. It's just not fair. Beach Boy. So cancel that buyback? Yep. Yeah, I'd cancel it. Yep. Scully, DH Ruda, yikes. Have you considered rolling into 105, 5622s? Michael, he definitely took it well. He definitely took it well. Oh, man. The Dow's up 5.5. SoFi's up 16. Rocket Lab down 32. 181.69 now on GameStop. We're trying to go higher. 181.79. High trade of the day just went through. AMC 28.35 up 8.11. Matterport up 27 cents to 7.93. ME 372 up 3.5. Spire down a penny. ATIP down 2 pennies. Smart Rent up 22 to 5.74. Trying to get it going. Trying. We're up 7.72 on the Dow. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah, 182 on GameStop. Just hit another high. Let's go. Bruce, what do you think about writing 7 cover calls for June at 200 on GameStop? I like it. Yeah. June 200s. Yeah. I know that my quote is behind, but I'm showing $32 to $33. So if you can get $34, $35, yeah, I'd do it. Definitely. Let's see. Vapor Rub. Bruce, I rolled a handful of SoFi 10s for June 1722. Is rolling again, just chasing it. It depends. I mean, sooner or later, this will plateau and back off. And that's where you get the score. You get the home run when that thing begins to consolidate a bit. Right now, there's $60 downside on this stock. Right now, 60 to 120. Easily. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to happen. I'm not calling it. I'm not guaranteeing nothing. I'm just saying it's possible it could give up $60 a share. Just saying. So, been around here since last year. I'd probably have a heart attack if SoFi went up 30 today, says Michael. It's $30 now. It's up 30. Let's see. If SoFi went up 30 today. Oh, SoFi. Oh, well, yes, that would be kind of fun there, Michael. Yeah, I hear you. Okay. 50 cents a share on Smart Rent. We're up 50 cents a share. Would be nice. It's not. It's $5.73. It's not moving. But you're up 50 cents right on. Okay. Drops. I'm not much of a fighter. Hello. 10 key operator though. Oh my gosh. Yes. All right. The Dow up 13.6. GameStop 183.54. New high right now. 183.71, 183.97. Kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. What can I say? I'm happy that all of you are richer. I'm just happy. Those of you doing rollovers, you're doing rollovers. I'm happy about that. The stock wants to go. Yeah. By all means, let's go. Yeah. 183, 183.97, 194, 190, 198, 190, 184. Nice. Go, baby, go. High today now. 184 even, I'm showing. 184.30, I'm showing now. 184.30 was the high trade of the day today. Volume now on GameStop with 14 minutes to go, 14.2 million. That's not enough. That's not enough. Yeah, I'm wondering. Always wondering. 184 share right now. 184, 184.19. 184.33, another new high. 184.13, new high. 84.33, 184.49, new high. There you go. Okay. Right calls. Yeah. Wow. Can't believe I filled at 34 premium for those 7 covered calls. Lovely. 184.44. Michael, I could retire if SoFi hit $184 a share. I think there would be a few viewers who would be in that position right now. Oh my, says 99. Mr. T, hi, Uncle B. I was able to get out of my 100s for Friday. Thank you. Now my 120s for the April is next. Should I try to roll yet today or wait a while? We'll do this tomorrow. And see how we open up. Media silence on a 20% increase on GameStop in one day. Yes, they don't want to upset their backers. Their backers are the big investment bankers who are not fans of this stock. No investment bankers making a lot of money on GameStop right now, and so they don't care. It's you're on your own, and that's the way it is. Crazy. Drops trades. Michael, retirement is boring. Besides, I just want to trade only when I retire in less than 3 years. Vash, not enough. What volume? If there's more buying than selling, even a low volume would go steadily like this. Is it? Yeah, well, at the moment, there's, light volume. It's moving higher. 184.50. Selling will come in, though. 185, I show it at night round. The selling will eventually appear, and it will be dramatic. But, it's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's all about the trailing AMC right now. You're on your son. You're on your own. I could retire if ATIP hit 50. So many bagels. Uncle Bruce, I have a GameStop 155 May 20, and I'm still not taken out. What gives? You're a conservative nephew, John. There's no guarantee you will be taken out on any contract at any time. It's just a matter of when it happens. It happens. 185, 186.77 now. You've got to give the option players time to decide if they want to take you out or not. Alberta, 185, new high. Yes, indeed. I meant retire and live off my covered calls till I'm old enough for Social Security. 186. Yep, 186.17. Another high of the day here. 186.80 is the high right at the top of this trade. 186.80 is the high. Okay. 11 minutes to go on the day. GameStop now traded 14.4 million. At the height of those crazy days, 30 to 50 million a day, every day. Right now, 14 million. 186.57. Woo, Okay, we are trading. What can I say? Games AMC at 29.27 up $9. How long has it been since AMC has been here? $29. I see 28.94 December the 30th. Yeah, that was December. I see $45 November the 8th. So that's kind of where we used to be. So it's a comeback a ways. Still got a ways to go, AMC does. It's really come down. GameStop 187. The last time we were here was about November 29, we're 202. December 1, we were 179. So it's been a while. Welcome back. December, January, February, March. Wow. Look at this chart for 6 months on GameStop. This is here. This is this last week right here. Look at that. Look at that shot right there. That is like they say in Young Frankenstein, abnormal. 187 on the stock. Abnormal. Yes, 189. Someone is saying, did we reach 189? 186, 187.88. I'm showing at this point for the high, and just trying to keep up on it. 187.88 right now is the high of the day. Yo, Uncle Bruce, I have a question. I don't know. Do I have an answer? Let's see if you fire away. I'll do what I can. The Dow is up 14 points. SoFi is up 18 cents to 920. $35 gain on GameStop. $9 gain on AMC. Matterport up 29. ME up 2.5. Spire down a penny. ATIP down a penny. SmartRent up 24. Cyxtera down 37. Pfizer up 43 cents. No one else is moving like these two stocks. Nobody else. The street is all over these two. The speculators are everywhere. What is happening right now with GameStop? Tell me. It's going higher. There are more buyers coming in than sellers in a hurry to get in. 189.20, causing the shares to roll at a higher level on subsequent trades. And sellers have not had enough time to figure out that they should be dumping this stuff if they feel that they've done really well on it. And so at 189.97 right now, we have a bit of a frenzy going on. A buy frenzy. We have a lot of day traders jumping in here and just riding this wave, because the faster it goes, 190.84 right now, the faster it runs, the less time sellers have to come in here and sell off stock. 190 last trade, high of the day, 190.84. That's what's happening. It's simple, really. It's not that complicated. Can I ask a question, Michael? That is all. Thank you. The last time it got to 199 and 209, it went lower. Okay, maybe 200 today. Maybe we can hit 200 today. The poll question could be really into something. You never know. Anyway, they shouldn't have given us another stimulus check. Don't have unlimited powder for all the dips, and it hurts. I'm honestly shocked. This is mind-blowing stuff. What a friggin' run this is. Let's see. I cannot believe we were buying in the 80s less than a week ago. Isn't that not 70s? What, 10 days ago? What? No, what? 188.52, 189.50 now. 189.50. It's all fun. It's all good times. Good times. Nothing to see here. 189.50. AMC 29.66 going for $30. Right 200s and right for 30s on AMC. Right 200s on GameStop and right 30s on AMC. Just write contract. Just write them. Just write them. Take the money. Take the money. Take the money. Oh my gosh. Boy, oh boy. 188.70 on GameStop. 36.75 gain right now. Why the face, says Michael. Uncle Bruce, if I get assigned at the 200 strike price, do you think it's better to sit on the cash and wait for the shares for a lower price, or buy the shares back? Well, you'll get your $200 plus your premium you got today. So you're selling at 230 something. Just wait. I just wait. Yeah, I've seen this show before. I've been in this movie theater a few times, and I know how the film operator works and how they reload the reels. And yeah, sometimes they run movies backwards. It's kind of fun. Are they even talking about it on CNBC? Michael wants to know. I'd rather taking that right up to the penthouse if I had known about GameStop AMC. I'd rather do that. 188.76. The high was 190.84. 190.84. We're 189, 188.76, 189.13. So we're 189.30. We're within a dollar and a half of the high of the day. That's where we're at right now. Funny time. My last GameStop purchase was Friday for $85. That was the last time I bought this stuff. 99 Nations is saying nice. 188.88. The Dow's up 21. S&P's up 22. NASDAQ up 148. These markets are slightly higher, but not a lot higher, which kind of tells me we're kind of topping up. We're leveling off, plateauing on the big markets right now. Coming into the last 5 minutes of the day, we're not gaining 300 points, 400 points on the Dow anymore. We're just kind of getting a little higher, but not a lot. Let's see what's going on. Dave, my GameStop stink bid filled $3 lower than the current ask and lower than current bid. Why the face? I grabbed 10 shares at 77.81, says Michael. That was above my cost average, though. I'm number 176 on thumbs up, says LL. BW, and yet SoFi and other SPACs don't do diddly squat. Michael, been holding it since 43, says Michael. Joe, Uncle Bruce, I got 2 contracts stuck at the 95 strike, having troubles getting them rolled. Am I too deep at this point as far as getting these rolled or ever catching back up to the stock price? Joe, it ain't over until it's over, and right now you just want to sit tight and see if we have a $50 correction tomorrow or the day after. It'll come around. Just sit tight. I still have my AMC at 79 a share. Also says Smoke Dog. LL, let's not forget about that. The thumbs for Bruce. A whale is pinning SoFi down, or pinning SoFi down. 70% bearish, says 99 Nation. SoFi is 924, up 22 cents. Rocket Lab down 32 cents. Matterport up 29 to 795. Trying to get to 8 again. ME 373, up 4 cents. Spire down a penny. ATIP down a penny. Smart Rent 578, up 27. Sixtair 1187, down 37 cents. Pfizer up 43 cents to 53.20. The Dow's up 38.8. We got 3 minutes to go. The Dow's up 45. GameStop 188.96. 188.96. High today 190.84. $2 away roughly from the high of the day. Go GameStop. It's your birthday. Whatever. Yes, that is the way. Yahoo, says Jennifer. Yes. 189.52. Coming on for another high close or another high of the day trade on GameStop now. Volume on GameStop, 15.4 million. 188.72 last trade. 188.92. WD, wow, is what WD is saying. There you go. Another fun day in paradise, kids. Another fun day. 189.01, 188.57, 189.08. Just last 2 minutes. Dow's up 61. S&P up 26. NASDAQ up 165. Okay. There you go. Bruce, what did you put in that bagel? JC wants to know GameStop's still going. What did you do? 189.11. Up $37. 24% run today on GameStop. 24% higher on GameStop. AMC 29.32 could not hold 30. Didn't get to 30. 29.73 couldn't get to 30. At least we got a minute to go on AMC. We're not done yet. Needs a big shot to do it, though. GameStop, 189.15, up $37 a share right now. 188.50, 189.64. It's somewhere in there. What a surprise finish, says 99 Nations. I might be jaded, but wow. It is something. 189.64, 188. Let's see. Let's refresh that. Let's see if we can get that to come through. 190. On the stock, 190 right now. 190 on GameStop. High today, 190.84 earlier today. There we have it. There's KY going, it's 190. My finances are like Joe Exotics right now. Wrote a covered call expiring April 1 for 200. I got 1620. Alberto, Way to go, buddy. Way to go. Taking it $1,620, and why not? $200. 189.68 at the moment. The Dow's up 90. We're up 31 on S&P. Nasdaq's up 183. 189.14, and the bells are about to go. Uncle Bruce, help. Can't seem to be able to roll over my 422.90 GameStop covered call to 150 Jan 24 call. That gives me 1,000 more premium. I'm too far in the money. Trying to go too far out, even going market price. Just wait till tomorrow. Just cancel your orders. Do nothing. Wait till tomorrow. Not Larry Titus. Bingo! The bells are here. Yahoo! Day is done. Woohoo! What a day. Crazy times. Another day in paradise, baby. Yeah, you don't get days like this very often. These are weird. This is a weird one, but well, once in a while you get an out of control stock. We get three of them. We've got GameStop up $38 to $189.98, AMC up to $29.35, up $111, and then we have this third one, Highcraft Mining, closing at $232, up $1.04 on 353 million shares traded. HY. MC. Let's take a peek again at this Tang. Highcroft Mining. Total shares outstanding 60 million before the deal concludes with AMC and Sprott. 46.9 million free trading, and today's volume on Highcraft 353 million. That's almost a 9-time turnover of the entire float. Gee, do you think there's some artificial shares being created in Highcraft Mining? You would think that a stock that would trade 363 million shares, 353 million shares, when only 49 million around, you'd think it would go up $5 a share. It only went up $1.04. What? What's wrong with this picture? Is there something I'm not understanding here? I don't understand it. Liz, the lamp must stand exactly the same tomorrow, and please wear your blue sweater for the rest of your life. GameStop 189.59 final trade. Michael, nice reversal on the NASDAQ. Credit, the caveat is that I'm not trying to use my own money to buy back, so I'm using the Robinhood credit debit system. I know. Splair, are we done? Damn, I'm excited for tomorrow. 99 nations. Right, everybody running a share price sanctuary right now. Enter your own risk. Maulings may occur. Think I'll dip big. It'll dip big soon, and I won't be able to take advantage of this pop. Simmer down, GameStop. The true repairman. Happy that GameStop is as high again, but rolling over so far means I won't get to play the option game for a while. I just can't find it in me to let my stocks expire and assign. Well, again, the bottom line is that if the shares back off, you'll buy back your calls and write new calls at lower strikes and closer in on time. You're rolling the other direction. Don't worry, you're not done yet. I write calls on GameStop, but they're directly registered. Aaron, don't simmer down. Don't simmer down. GameStop, heat up fire. Alberto, after our GameStop going up or down, we don't know what GameStop going to do. What's it going to do when it's coming for you? Bad boy, bad boy. 188.50 down $1.48 on the GameStop at the moment. Yep, 188.98 right now. Yeah, down a little bit. Okay, Uncle Bruce, I just rolled my 155 GameStop May 20 to June for a 180. John Anderson, well done. Nicely done. Nice. 155 to 180. Good move. Yeah, this thing goes back to 140. Are you going to be laughing? Oh my God, are you going to be laughing when that happens? Nice move, John Anderson. Way to go. There you go. That's a fun day in paradise today, kids. 189 on GameStop, down 98 cents in the aftermarket. The Dow was up 94 when it was all said and done. SoFi was up 24 cents to 925. Came back to kind of where it started this morning. 29.35 on AMC. Matterport 796 up 30. ME up 6 cents to 375. Spire down a penny. ATIP down a half a penny. Smart Rent 579 up 28 cents. And Sextera, last trade, 11.88 down 36. Pfizer up 50 cents, 53.28 today. Robinhood only gained 42 cents. Vanik up $2. Home Depot up 3.55. IBM up 6 cents a share. Microsoft up $7 to 3.10. Apple up 88 cents. Goldman still down 230. Cisco up 17. Facebook up 177. Amazon added $84. Tesla was able to gain 81 to 1,091. Google up 850. That's all. That's it. Bed Bath Beyond up 373 to 2632. Hycroft Mining 232. BlackBerry up 28 cents. Royal Caribbean up 160. JP Morgan down $1. Costco up 950. Walmart up 250. Nvidia up 520. American Airlines up 29 cents. Yep. Moderna up $7 to 173. There you go. Tomorrow's another day. See what the emotions are like and where everyone's going. The oil market ended up down $10 a barrel to 103.18. $10 a barrel dump today. That's a lot better for everything. That's really good. Except province of Alberta oil trading province. But look, down $10 a barrel. Yeah, we're under some pressure here. Interesting. True repairman. Thanks, Uncle B. You might be a bad boy, but you're a cool uncle. Thanks, man. Bruce singing Bad Boys. Thinking about that Mike Lowry slap. 99 Nations. Phew, now I can go order bagels for tomorrow in peace. KY Jelly going, whoa, GameStop running, says KY. Here goes GameStop. 192. GameStop 192.79 in the aftermarket. That's true. It's a little higher. It's been a very exciting day. Neat. Woot, woot, let's go. 194. Don't know if it's got it in it. 192 last trade on the GameStop in the aftermarket. 192.01. Wow, let's go GameStop. 194.75 says Scully. I'm showing 192 right now on a volume of 42,000 shares. So, yeah, okay. Great. Loving it. I'm so glad so many of you are taking money off the table. You're being handed some serious premiums on these calls up here, and you're doing it. Love it. Those of you who are rolling over, fantastic. Keep that going. We have more rolling over to do tomorrow, the day after. We'll just keep on going. This market wants to go higher, we'll go with it. That's all right. We'll go up $20, $30 a rollover. That's all right. $2-3 grand a contract. We'll keep doing that. It's okay. Live on that. Go GameStop. Maybe we'll open over 200 tomorrow. Geez, sure wish I had more power a few weeks ago for GameStop. My one share I got 93 is now over 100%, having flashbacks from a year ago. I think tomorrow we're testing 200. Then maybe we'll see a drawback as people take profits. Skull 8, 194.75 is a new high, not current. Vernon wrote GameStop cover call for 175, got $15 each. Came back this afternoon, and wow, yeah, that's right. That's all right. BW, tomorrow can the show start with Jen slapping you and pick which cheek, kapow, and then start the shelf with a bang. Could we do that? That would be good, Hit the host. 191.58, 191.12 now is what I'm showing on GameStop. 49,000 volume, I guess. 50,000 volume, 191 even on GameStop. 191 even. There you go, kids. Another fun day at the OK Corral. What can I say? Okay, good stuff. 190.63. Yeah, 191 now. We're just all over the place, okay? Be careful. She hits harder than Will Smith. Will Smith, get my underlying stock out of your mouth. 191.85 on the GameStop. 191.50. Jumping around, just small trades. It's all nickel and dime trades. Nothing serious going on from what I can see here. Oh boy, fun times, baby, fun times. 52,800 shares, 193 now on GameStop. At oil prices, interesting, down 9% on oil today. Reminiscent of a week and a half, 2 weeks ago when we had those big drops from 130, 125. Now we're down to 103.35, down 10.55 on oil. Gold down $35 an ounce today. It's also backing up. We'll have to see how this, of course, we'll see how this goes tomorrow. 192.28 on your GameStop now in the after hours trading. We'll see what it wants to do. We'll see what it wants to do. Aaron, a little wishful thinking here. 300 tomorrow. Yeah, why not? Sure, whatever. Hey, whatever. No problem. Fun stuff, kids. I hope you had fun today. Let's take a look at this poll question, too. I'm kind of curious about this. Let's go over here. Where have I got that poll question? Here it is right here. We've had 519 respondents. I said by tomorrow, the GameStop could be 200. Well, it closed at 190, 189.98. It's 191.90 now. Well, 64% of you are going, Bruce, this goes up another $8.50. We're at $200 a share. 64% think it's going to break 200 by tomorrow. 36% are saying no way, it's not going to happen. We got 208 thumbs ups now, 209 thumbs ups now. Thank you for those. Look, if you think it's going to go over $200 a share tomorrow, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up at the same time, and let's add some momentum to this recorded show. And I thank you all so much for all of your support. Fantastic. I'm cursing myself. How do we get out of it? And then it hits me like a bolt of lightning. The pick. She comes out of the bathroom. I end up on my wrist. I don't know what this means. To the moon, hold the line. I got to ask, could this be a squeeze or is it just a small run-up? H. Gregory, history will tell us later. Anyway, what can I say? Roll to 150 for a $10 profit. Zed, way to go, buddy. Way to go. Dave the Mac guy, profit will take profit soon enough. Have a great evening, everybody. LL, Dave the Mac guy, takers. 200 will be just the start of the day. We'll see. Zed, that was a good move. I like it. $1,000 more in your pocket per contract. And you went up to 150. I like it. Okay, 190.89 on the aftermarket, up 82 cents at the moment. Volume of 59,700. It would appear at the moment 66,000. Pardon me, 66,000 volume now at the moment. So there you go. What can I say? It was a scene from Seinfeld, says Splur. At the show with the scratch or the pick, the ending. The pick. The scratch and the pick. That's right. I'm cursing to myself now. How do I get out of it? And then it hits me like a bolt of lightning. The pick. She comes out of the bathroom. I'm up into my waist. I'd forgotten that, Splur. I'd forgotten that. Oh, man. Aaron, thank you for the thumbs ups for Uncle Bruce. Thank you. I also did one cover call with a strike of 200 expiring this week. Zed, nice job. Nice job. Wavy gravy, thumbs ups. JC, Bruce, the only way to stop this run up is to sell more muffin stumps. That's right. Don't sell the muffin tops. Sell the muffin stumps. There you go. I couldn't stop laughing while seeing that, Splur. Oh, the pick, the episode, the pick. That's right. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's fantastic. Oh, gosh. Folks, thank you so much for being here today with me. I'm going to be on 2 more times tonight, but on my other channel, 7 o'clock Eastern, 8 o'clock Eastern. 7 o'clock for my sponsor members, and then 8 o'clock for anybody. Wide open. It's a public show. So if you want to hear what's going on in the travel world, I'll be talking to my peeps over there about Jennifer and I's plans for Europe as far as we know. And otherwise, I'll see you here tomorrow morning. If you're a Gold Bagel member, get up bright and early because I will be on the air before 8:30 in the morning with your trading alerts. I'll give you the best trading alert I can based on what I see and what's going on. One of the perks being a Gold Bagel member, you'll get that before I even start my 8:30 show. And then I'll see all of you at 8:30 tomorrow, and we'll be here for another day of rollicking fun, adventures, slaps to the face, punches to the gut, picking of the nose, and the scratching of the ears. We'll be here for all of that tomorrow. You don't want to miss that, do you? No. So we'll be here for that. Now I know how Kramer runs after the plane. Alberto, I would like to remind everyone, you called this run up months ago. How long will that hold, though? Splair, I'll never forget the face he made while telling that to Seinfeld gang at the cafe. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Good night. Hey, Beach Boy, you have a great evening, buddy. We'll load up again tomorrow and have some more fun as we move this market another notch. And we'll figure out our rollovers. We'll figure out what we got to do, how we got to do it, the way we got to do it, and we'll just make it happen. It's just going to be fun. If GameStop wants to go up $50 tomorrow, let it go. Wants to go down $50 tomorrow, let it go. It doesn't want to do anything tomorrow, let it not do anything. We'll be here. We're not going anywhere. It's all good. Bees knees. I'm like number 251, buddy. Thank you so much, you guys. 251 thumbs ups. 253 now on the thumbs ups chart. That is awesome. Trash talking of the wife, says Free Thinker. Take care, Uncle B, the true repairman. See you tomorrow, Splair. Have a good night, y'all. Uncle Bruce, this could be on the way to a mother of all short squeezes. Could this be? Could this be it? Maybe, maybe not. We're 188.34 right now. We're down on the stock now. See ya, moneymakers. See ya, Bagel Brett. The Beach Boy still master of my domain. That's right. King of the castle. That's right. Will Smith's girlfriend, boyfriend slaps harder. Thanks, Uncle B. You got it, Nancy. Lame Duck, Beach Boy, 99, Nick, Splair, True Repairman, Free Thinker, Bees Knees, everybody for being here. You guys are the best. Thank you. Stay well, stay healthy, stay sane, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Aurora, you too. First thing tomorrow. Bye, guys. We'll see you.